Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Here, this is the React application, simple project for fish inventory. So here you can see here, there is a two choice. One is a gram, another one is a kilogram. I want to calculate as a fish as a gram, I need a 500 gram fish. Calculate here, $700 will be calculated. Display, reset. Out of that, I'm going to calculate gram. I need to calculate 2 kilo. The price would be displayed. Okay, click reset. The simple application, how to do step by step, we'll teach. First, I'm going to go to the official site of React. So I'm going to go to Google. I have to connect my internet connection so that. Now here I'm going to write width. Click on this first one. Click get started. Click on this, copy this, paste on it over here. I'm going to go to my project. I'm going to create a project which is a I'm going to create fish inventory shop. Open up CMD to open the command from window. For the command you have copied, you just paste it and press enter key. You have to wait until the React installation process complete. Fish shop. Tab key to press the package, press enter key, select as React, select as JavaScript. You have type cd fish shop npm i2, type the command npm i2 install the npm packages. You have to wait until the installation completed. Now you open the code in VS Code editor. So code space dot to open all the code in my VS Code editor. Now here the VS Code editor open successfully. You have to click here. Yes, here I have to this VS Code editor. Now here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to go to src. Here app.jsx. Click on this file. So you can see the app.jsx. Here we have a index.html. This is the single page application of React. So there's only the one single page available in every front-end application. It may be a React or Angular or Vue.js. There is only one single page application, one HTML page. So here I want to add the Bootstrap library. So where we are going to add the Bootstrap library inside the add tab. So I'm going to go to my respective website. So I'm going to go to my respective website. So Bootstrap. Okay, if you are familiar in the tail with CSS, you can use tail with CSS. At the moment, I'm going to use it Bootstrap. So you have the Bootstrap library. I'm going to get the Bootstrap. So we need no need the Bootstrap library. Without Bootstrap library, we have to do the project. Okay, so we have to implement the Bootstrap library or not in my previous project. Okay, I have imported the Bootstrap library. Some other project I have made the CSS in custom. So this project I have attached Bootstrap as well. That's why I check it whether I have added the Bootstrap library or not in my my example. Okay. So click download. So you can click on this CDN. You have to copy this CDN bootstrap min.css. This one I needed. Copy this, paste inside the add tag of the project. This is the first one you have to do it. Out of that, file, save all. After that, go to app.jsx. So here you can see how the work is here. Index.html page. It will be connected to the main.jsx. The main.jsx. Main.jsx is calling to the app. Say app.jsx. So here, this is the file. This file, what you are going to do is, I just copy this. What I did in my this example, I just copy and paste it. I will be explained this all the source code I provide you. Don't worry. After that, what I'm going to do is, this is type. After you go to the main.jsx, here you have to remove this one, index.html. This one we don't need it. Index.css. This one we don't need it. Okay. So here all the CSS file. Okay, CSS there is a separate file as well. So I have a CSS file I have included in the div tag. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. Now here you can see app component. Start the app component. It close the app component here. So I have a fields. The first field you can say simple index HTML. So it's the I have simple style background color. I set it as a blue. Okay, the background color I have set it as a blue. Text white. You can see the padding 10. Text align center. Border radius. You have to put it the border radius color. This is the background color. This is the front end color. Font weight I have put it in the bold. Fish inventory, which is a AD. After that, we have a top margin 10 red and 14 will be the color. Okay. So after that, you can see here this one should, when you get the error, it will be displayed like this. Okay. So after that, you can see here this one if we no need that to copy, we no need that. Okay. So error also we have to actually put it on. So after that, you can see here we have get the another div tag styling margin 10. So left this one for this. Okay, margin 10 means 10. You get the margin 10. So if it is here display block, you have to try the block. Margin bottom, you have set it the 5 pixel. Font height bold. The fish, which is fish means a label. Okay. After that, class here this one should be the our drop down. Change set option. What is the item you have to click it, whether you have click on select as gram or kilogram. If it is click gram, it will be set as a gram. If you select as a kilogram, it is set as a kilogram. Okay. What's the option you are selected? The upon on the option will be selected over here. Okay. Based on the option will be selected over here. Whether if you are select gram has been selected. If you are select as kilogram has been selected. Okay, you just go to your drop down. Okay, if you select the option, which option you are going to select. If I select gram has been selected. It will be put if it is set it over here. Okay, it's gram, it goes to over here. We have a use state which is nothing but the value store management system. The value has been stored there. Okay. So you have a create a variable. You can see the option set option. Set option will be passing the option for the option you are selected. Okay. Here we have select the values. That's it. That's the thing you have written. Okay. So what is the value you have selected? It will be selected over here. Okay. So second one is a quantity. What's the quantity you are entered over here? It will be saved at this one set quantity method. This input box. What is the quantity you are entered here? Okay. So after that, you have to write the another div tag. You have to put the justify content space between it will be arranged space look like this. Okay. So you must learn how the designing works. That is must. How the space between works. How the space around works. All things you must study Flaxbox CSS well. Flaxbox CSS is a very powerful CSS design. Okay. If you are as soon as possible, I'm bring the tutorial of the Flaxbox CSS professional way how to learn, and we have to make the very professional way to implement the React application website. Okay, so how to implement the Flaxbox correct way to designing the very responsive and very beautiful UI design websites very as soon as possible. I will be releasing, don't worry. Okay, so at the moment you can see this design is must. Okay, this design is very must. So here after you can see here there's a button calculate. Oh, it's a button we have all the put, we have a padding, we all things have set as a CSS file. Another button reset. This is the calculate button. We have custom, we have this button we have designed ourselves. The reset button also we have set ourselves. Okay, so we have a coding, we have set it here. After the total, this is a total. Here total we have a, here is a total, that is a null. If it is null and if not null, it will be display the total. Okay, the total will be, we have calculated over here. Okay, so once you add the select the option and enter the quantity, it goes to over here. Okay, the option is 1 result. If it is a option 1 means it's a kilogram, sorry, it's gram calculated. If it is option 1 will be gram calculated. So 1000 gram. Okay, 1000 divided by 1000 and the price. Okay, so 1 kilo price 140, which will be the 1 kilo price is 140. If it is a gram, it will be, we have to quantity we have divide by 100 and multiply by 140. You can put any values you want. Okay, so I just put 140. This is how we have calculated the value. Yeah, if it is a gram, it's calculated this one. If there is any other problem of the selection, invalid selection will be displayed. It will be calculated, set calculated, total will be calculated. Okay, set total will be calculated. Okay, so here this is how we have calculated the values. This is how we have calculated the values. Okay, this one we don't need them. If you write, later on we have implement the databases. We have checked whether the quantity is enough or not. That's all the relation you can done this one. Okay, that's the thing you have write. Where's the quantity? What's the quantity I entered? It will be based on the quantity. The data will be displayed, calculated. Okay, so that's how we are working on here. The set quantity. Okay, simple. Here you have to pass this variable here, quantity, this variable quantity over here is passed into this variable. Here first you have to check the quantity, after that check by one. Okay, so you have to get the result as a decimal point. You have to write fixed 2 mean it will be decimal point, it will replace the total here. Gram and kilogram, you enter the gram, here 2 decimal point. This is how we have calculated the inventory management system. This is a professional way. Thank you for watching.